Welcome to Activity 29. In this activity, we are going to be developing the concept of the whole of 10 as being equal to two parts joined together. We are then going to use this to say an addition equation, saying part add part equals whole. 3 add 7 equals 10. We could also swap these parts using the commutative property. I could say in this order, 7 add 3 equals 10. For this activity, you will need 2 of each block from 1 to 10, placed in a jumbled pile within reach of both players. You will also need these 2 blocks. They're called blank 5s. These are needed because if one player builds 5 add 5 equals 10, the other player also needs to be able to build 5 add 5 equals 10. The aim of the activity is to build as many 2-part bonds of 10 in 3 minutes. And when we build these, you can't repeat a bond. So if you built 4 and 6, this is also worth 6 and 4 because we're using the commutative property. So I could not build 6 and 4 or 4 and 6 in another row. I would just say the equation but not collect any blocks. Helping me here today, I have my daughter Karis.
Hi.
I'm going to start by placing the spinner, and Karis, you can go first.
Okay. 7.
Good, so you pick up a 7 and a 3.
7 add 3 equals 10.
Awesome. And I also spun 7, so I'm going to do the same. 7 add 3 equals 10.
Eight add 2 equals 10.
Great. 3 add 7 equals 10, but I can't place any blocks.
6. 6 add 4 equals 10.
9 add 1 equals 10.
6. I've already got 6, so I can't go.
Good, even though these blocks are here, but you do have to say the equation.
6 add 4 equals 10.
Well done. And we would keep playing until either one of us finishes the wall or the 3 minutes is finished.